Hi everybody. I just learned my basics in cornrows and box braids, and it was really amazing to study with Ashley and Tracy, and the whole team over here was really helpful. Thank you so much for this course.
Hi, this is Gauri and I'm a hairstylist for last 12 years. So I wanted to start something new in my salon. So this is like trending thing, cornrows and box braid. I've heard so many times. So I wanted to do a course. So I did it.
How was the experience?
So my experience was really good with Ashley sir and Tracy ma'am, and I really loved it. So now I'm going to start in my salon and I will take clients.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.